Just going to go through how to make connections into the junction boxes. It's really important, this, because we rely on the seals, the waterproof seals, to make sure all the electrics works properly. So with these connectors, you'll see on the plug and on the socket there's a slight asymmetry there with a little V shape, and to get the plug to mate properly in the socket, just rotate it, pushing in until you find the connection of that V. Now you start to tighten the knurled screw, and then just to make sure it's going home fully, just press that and then tighten it again, and you should make sure that it can't tighten anymore. Don't ever take pliers to it, you'll just damage it. And then to undo, simply that, and pull out. Just be aware that it is a screw thread, so there's a chance that you might cross thread if it's not properly aligned. So just be aware of that as you're doing it. And if you find too much resistance to tightening it, then just back off, remove it, and try again. The other aspect of making sure these junction boxes remain watertight is that if there are going to be any unused sockets, make sure that you've got a sealing cap in. So we supply these, and they simply screw in, and the best way to ensure that it's fully home is to put the junction box on a flat surface, and then with the right size screwdriver, press down and turn, and that's nicely home. When you're finished, there shouldn't be any air gap underneath the head of the sealing cap. Bear in mind it's only a piece of plastic, so if you're a real gorilla, then you could just ruin the slot on top of the sealing cap. So make sure you use the right size screwdriver and just tighten it nicely.